YouTube? Scott Off-Road. How we doing today? It is Sunday evening. First part of the trail we went on today was Rainbow Terrace. Hindsight being 2020, I should have had the camera out when we broke. Spent about an hour underneath the Jeep readjusting the shift linkage. Irony on that is the TJs inherently have issues with the shift linkage binding up on it, and when I did the tummy tuck I went ahead and did the cable so I wouldn't have that issue. Well, guess what? I had the issue.
Four low. Nope. You just kicked all the rocks out.
Alright, so this should have been an easy climb for me. I thought I was in four-wheel drive. I put the transfer case in four-wheel drive, so I thought, and that's what the grinding is. The cable was out of adjustment, we didn't realize it, and even on this attempt, I thought I was in four-wheel drive, and obviously you can look at the tires and realize I'm in two-wheel drive. So shortly thereafter this, we got to the top of this little hill, and that's where we spent about an hour while I adjusted that shift cable, and that sucked because we had to take the center console out, we had to take the mount off. It was just a pain in the butt with everything in there to get to, but it all worked out for the rest of the trip though. Starting your climb now, driver. 2 foot to passenger. Roll into it. Give her gas. Woohoo! Wow! Okay, climb. Good, 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 good. Now we're off to Hell's Revenge and do an evening run on that. Then stop in Moab for dinner. Good times. Happy, happy. As always, like, subscribe, follow. Have a blessed day. This is a joke.
That was going to be the funnest part.
Yeah. Right there. Used to be challenging to get up, and they paved it. Jiminy. Okay. So it's been a few years since we've been here. When we first came in, and every time we've been here, this first obstacle has kept a lot of vehicles out because you go in and it's straight up, and coming off it's kind of hairy. But they paved it. That sucks. You'll probably still want to read the map for our turn points and stuff. Yeah, last time I was on this trail, this was 2-lane on this little obstacle here. So if you met traffic going the other way, you kind of had to squeeze. Now there's an entirely new way to do it. New exit out. Wow. Okay, that's hairy. Oh, here we go. You're to the back bumper. Need me to get out there and spot you? Well, we got to a good spot, turn around, now we're heading back out of Hell's Revenge. So, nice little evening tour, a lot of fun. Thanks for coming along. As always, like, subscribe, follow. You have a blessed day. Tomorrow, not sure what trail we're doing, but I'm sure it'll be fun. See ya.